geniuses.
Did you know that back in 1700, there was a man who carried out a great experiment with just a key and a kite?
His name was Benjamin Franklin, and he was the 15th of 17 siblings.
Yes, that's right, 17 siblings, a more than big family. But Benjamin only went to school until he was 10 years old. He spent all his time studying electrical phenomena, and in 1752 he carried out his famous kite experiment, which led him to realize that clouds carried an electric charge, and that's when he invented the lightning rod.
That's awesome, but tell me how he did it. What was that experiment like?
How about he tells you himself?
It was a stormy day. The clouds were swirling in the sky. I went to the park with my kite, tied a key to the silk string, and waited. When I touched the key, I noticed sparks flying.
Was that when you realized the clouds were full of electricity?
Oh, of course. The lightning sent an electric charge down the metal frame of my kite, and it traveled along the silk string to the key. Thanks to this experiment, I later invented the lightning rod. As you probably know, the lightning rod is a device that attracts lightning to the ground, preventing it from striking buildings or people.
Wow, that's what we always say. To be a true explorer, you have to ask yourself questions and try out new possibilities. Let's never stop experimenting.
They are honestly absolute geniuses.